Here's how to get to Data Manager inside of Jira Assets. So the first thing we're going to do is actually head over to our assets from Jira. The best way to really do this is just hit the sidebar item for assets, and if you don't see it, you might want to click more and it'll probably show up in the list here. Once we click that, we get taken to our home page for our assets. And just a quick side note, when you do click the settings on the top right, it does change based on which product you're in. So because we're in assets now, and this is technically its own product as of the last few months, you click the settings here and you'll see a different option than what you saw within Jira. We're going to click on Asset Settings, go to the very bottom tab for Data Manager, and go ahead and turn this on. Once you turn this on, you could go back to your Assets homepage, and you actually have your Data Manager tab that you could jump into, start creating all of your connectors, your cleansing rules, and your importing into the actual asset schemas. Hope this helps. Hey, real quick, if you feel like Jira is messy and slow, or you feel like you're constantly trying to fix and rebuild it, then I want to invite you to take our free Jira strategy assessment down below. In just a few really quick questions, we'll show you which stage your team is currently in and exactly what to fix first.